This is Nonsense, and it is a variation of an Ohio Star that it is 3x3, made with quarter triangle units, also called hourglass blocks. It is similar to a block, another block that's in the quilt, where the half triangle squares in the corners are turned around, but it's still basically the same parts. This one, because of the direction of things and that you're going to have some seams going in the same, or seams that would be going in the same direction, this is one that's beneficial to pressing a lot of your seams open. I usually do not, but I absolutely recommend it on this because I think you're going to be happier with the results. It's going to lay really, really well. You're going to press the seams open for both the half triangle squares and for the quarter triangle squares or quarter hourglass units. I always forget to call them that. You're going to make four matching units that have background. This is a center square, just a plain square. It looks like it's a square and a square kind of unit, but this block goes together very, very easily. It's no nonsense. It's the Nonsense block.